I resume my lecture. I was in the project part with the selection of topics, Indianization of a foreign story or dramatization of a story. For the Indianization, as I've already told you can choose any foreign stories and Indianize it. And for the dramatized part, you can choose any story that may be foreign, that may be native, and you will dramatize. নাটকে রূপান্তরিত করতে হবে। একটা ভারতীয় প্রেক্ষাপটে একটা লিখতে হবে, একটা নাটকে রূপান্তরিত করতে হবে। ক্লিয়ার? Now you are asked to complete your project within 1500 words at the maximum, and you will submit your final project on project copy, that is interleaf pages with one side white and one side single ruled section, where in the single ruled part you will write, and in the white part you will stick relevant pictures. Now I advise you to stick pictures with captions. I have seen while evaluating projects in earlier years that students end up pasting pictures without any caption. I tell you that has no meaning. If you do not write a caption for a picture, the picture goes meaningless. Avoid pasting same picture throughout, that is from the first to the last of the story. I have often seen many students do that. Same picture, they go on pasting. It's not only monotonous, but lack of aesthetic sense, lack of intelligence. Wikipedia, Google, they provide you with many pictures. You have to put in your effort to search, and you will definitely get them. The full marks of project is 20. On 20 marks it will be evaluated, and it's not very difficult to score an 85% on the project. So put in a little effort and you end up with a brilliant score. This is a vital part of your HS. Remember that. So, how will you do your project? Will you straight away do the final, or will you make a rough draft of it? Prior to this year, since I'm teaching HS class 12, I always advise students to make a rough of the project, draft of the project, get it checked by me, and then make a final part. Only because you will end up with minimum mistakes in spelling or errors in grammar. I have also seen many students, while copying the project from the rough part to the final part, they overwrite or scribble. Please do not do that. And do not use correction ink, that is white ink. Never use that. You will only pen through. You may make a mistake. That is very natural. You can only pen through. You will only pen through and write. Continue writing. No problem. But if you scribble or if you use white correction ink, that is white ink, the whole thing becomes very untidy. It looks untidy. So be very neat with your work. Make an introduction, a conclusion, an acknowledgement, a bibliography, that is the reference from where you have selected your picture, selected your source. There should be a short note on it. Bibliography, you will have to make a column, bibliography. You'll have to make an acknowledgement. You owe your thanks, vote of thanks to the persons related in making, who have assisted you in making your project, or for you your project has been a successful part, etc., etc. Now let me come straight to the HS syllabus questions pattern. There will be two questions. One yellow color, that is the part A, and white in color, that is part B. Part A, yellow color part, will comprise of 60 marks, where there will be broad questions on from each of prose, poetry and play, where you will be asked to write 2 questions from prose and poetry, broad questions, and a single question from play. Then you will have the grammar questions, you will have unseen, comprehension passage, and you will have writing section, where there will be 3 writing topics, that is reporting, an editorial, and a précis. You have to write any one of the 3. It is from the 3 questions that are given to you as writing: reporting, editorial, and précis. You will have to write only one, and it will comprise of 10 marks as a whole. Later, when I go to teach you the writing part, I will discuss accordingly what tactics you will have to use while writing the writing section, so that you end up with the maximum marks.